Hi there. Today I'd like to talk about a very important thing about IELTS speaking test. If I give you a topic to talk about Bangladesh Military Museum, then is it possible for you to talk about Bangladesh Military Museum? Maybe it's difficult for you because you don't have any idea about Bangladesh Military Museum, or if you do not have any picture about this. So it would be easy for you to talk about the topic if you have any picture or if you visualize it. So let's talk about it. Today I'm staying in front of Bangladesh Military Museum and I can see there are lots of things that are situated in this very museum. So as I have all these things in front of me, then I can easily describe it. Let's say at least I can make 4 or 5 sentences by observing it. I think there is a pool in front of the museum. That's very, I think, easy to say. There are many trees in front of the museum. There are nice gates in front of the museum. So if I have proper idea or knowledge, or if I can visualize it, then it would be easy for me to describe the topic. All right. So the same happens for IELTS speaking. When teacher gives you a topic, then if you cannot visualize it, or if you do not have any idea about the topic, then it would be difficult for you. So for better IELTS speaking, the first thing you have to do is to visualize it, to develop the idea about the issue or about the topic. Then I think automatically you can answer the question. So this is the first step for answering the questions, and I'll talk about the next step in the next video. Goodbye.